Welcome to Tripura Info News Update. Tripura's Tribal Welfare Minister Bikash Dev Burma visited St. Anthony's Home Hostel in Belbai, Champaknagar, on Saturday. During his visit, he personally inspected each room and interacted with the students, assessing accommodation, hygiene, health, and daily facilities. The minister identified several infrastructural issues and expressed concern over the hostel's condition. A clean and healthy environment is essential for learning. Poor infrastructure can affect students' mental health and hamper their education, he stated. Dev Burma emphasized the need for immediate renovation and assured that his department will take swift action. These children are our future. Providing them a safe and supportive space is our responsibility, he added. Locals praised the minister's compassionate and proactive approach, hoping the visit will lead to significant improvements in the students' living standards.
Belai hamba joto media rongo tini Belwari Montfort St. Anthony Homes ujaga hostelang visit khaipika puro joto sare rok sok kaibe ko sombandin simi school reopen sanai taisa ngai phainai phika bongni hostel rokno visit khaipika kicha je komi tongano ang cyclanga hostel soparno je hostel ni malikno light tepanani tei fan tepanani tuirongni ব্যবস্থা tongo je nangmani ang bongno chubanai o hostel lang chubanai boskango ani chererok bobisorongmani bagi karon ani u chererok dofani bobisot boskango borok dofano lead khainai sini desno chubanai desno lead khainai समाज सेवा खाइनाय देशनि सेवा खाइनाय borok sichini bobisot boskango borok o chhatro rongno bobisot chini joto thinango joto kisu borok nai aboni bagino chini cherarokni je tomung chamung kahamung thung puroni je problem naino family kahamno bal kan choliwo hostelo boskango bongni hostel tabo kahamungan hunang khathoyo ishorni thanang prarthana koyo o cherarok boskango bobisot tabo borok ngan hunai borok thum hunang prarthana kainai tabo boskango borok agu goithamto bele hambai.
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.